Today I'm showing you this Bentley Continental from 2009. I'm going to show you which update we did for this car. We put in a new multimedia system from Pioneer. We chose the Pioneer z9200, this advanced multimedia system with auto Android. As you can see here on the screen, the quick applications, Google Maps, Waze, Flitsmeister you can use, and of course just the normal audio video sources. You can see radio, mirroring, screen mirroring, extension for Hdmi for TV, auto Android of course. Still the original rear camera is usable. Here you can see the original radio with a special panel. We adjusted the dash so we can put in a new double-din system. Are you driving a Bentley and your Bentley needs an update? Please let us know. Arendt's Car Systems in Duiven.